Hello friends, I hope you're fine. Welcome back my YouTube channel Smart Tractor Tech. Today, we bring you something truly special and unique in the world of farming machines, a sleek, compact, and powerful Honda tractor. Yes, you heard that right. Honda, known globally for its precision engineering and premium automotive technology, has entered the compact tractor segment with a model that looks stunning and promises impressive efficiency. In this video, we will take a deep dive into everything you need to know about this powerful machine, its features, build quality, performance, fuel efficiency, and why it could be a game changer in the modern farming industry. Let's begin with the design. The first thing you notice is its bold and premium white finish, which gives it a clean, modern, and professional look. The body panels are ergonomically designed with aerodynamic curves and robust materials that ensure durability and style. The front grille is sleek with a strong black accent housing stylish headlamps that offer bright illumination, ideal for working even during early mornings or late evenings. The seating area is spacious and comfortable, designed keeping long operational hours in mind. The cushion quality is excellent and gives the operator a fatigue-free experience. The ergonomic steering wheel, user-friendly dashboard, and all operational controls are placed in a way that the driver can operate them with minimal effort and maximum convenience. The layout follows Honda's tradition of human-centric design, ensuring comfort without compromising on function. Under the hood, this compact powerhouse is equipped with a fuel-efficient 4-stroke Honda engine. Known for their reliability and low maintenance, Honda engines are famous worldwide, and this tractor is no exception. The engine delivers high torque at low RPMs, ensuring maximum pulling power while conserving fuel. This makes it ideal for a wide range of farming tasks like plowing, tilling, cultivating, and transporting loads around the farm. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the Honda tractor truly shines. With smart fuel injection technology and optimized combustion, this tractor delivers more work of diesel or petrol, depending on the model. This not only reduces operational cost but also contributes to eco-friendly farming, something that's becoming increasingly important in today's world. Honda's engineering ensures that every drop of fuel is used efficiently, giving you the performance you need without wasting precious resources. Now let's talk about the transmission and drivetrain. The Honda tractor features a smooth gear shifting system, allowing you to seamlessly transition between speeds depending on the task at hand. The transmission is sturdy and built for both power and precision, whether you're moving through a muddy field or cruising down a farm road. With high ground clearance and strong grip tires, this tractor handles rough terrains with ease. Speaking of tires, Honda has equipped this tractor with heavy-duty, wide tread tires that offer excellent traction without damaging the soil. This is especially beneficial for farmers who work on soft soil or during monsoon conditions. The suspension system complements the tires, absorbing shocks and giving the operator a smooth ride, even over bumpy fields. Let's take a moment to appreciate the technology integration. The dashboard on this tractor comes with essential indicators like engine temperature, fuel level, RPM meter, and maintenance alerts. Honda has also provided a safety cutoff switch, LED lights, and optional accessories like a rotavator, loader, or trolley attachment depending on your use case. आजकल स्मार्ट फार्मिंग का जमाना है, जहां किसान टेक्नोलॉजी का सही इस्तेमाल करके अपनी मेहनत को कम और प्रोडक्शन को ज्यादा करने में जुटे हुए हैं। ड्यूरेबिलिटी इज अनदर का ये एरिया वेयर Honda किसानों के लिए वरदान साबित हो सकता है। स्ट्रक्चर इज बिल्ट विद कोरोजन रेजिस्टेंट मटेरियल्स, आसानी से मॉडिफाई किया जा सकता है। मतलब इसमें आप कल्टीवेटर, स्प्रे मशीन, वाटर पंप, हार्वेस्टर और सीड ड्रिल मशीन भी अटैच कर सकते हैं। टू प्रिवेंट गस्ट और वाटर एंट्री, मेकिंग इट आइडियल फॉर यूज इन डाइवर्स वेदर फार्मिंग मशीन है। The overall build is compact yet rugged, perfect for both narrow farm paths and tight storage spaces. जो कम RPM पर भी ज़्यादा power generate करता है। Honda has designed the tractor in a way that every essential part is easily accessible होता है। From changing oil to checking filters, most maintenance tasks can be done without professional help. में हल चलाना या overcover Honda product, you can expect wide availability of spare parts and service centers, ensuring minimum downtime and maximum production. किसान ये सोचते हैं कि